I was sent a set of headphones by a company called TOZO, I believe is how you would pronounce that. They asked me if I wanted to review these over-the-ear headphones. They asked me if I wanted to review these. I said yes. I did quickly check online to make sure that they had pretty good reviews, and alas, they did have good reviews. So, I didn't want to be sent some like not so good headphones. I looked online. It looks like people were pretty happy with them. So I've decided to say yes, and I'm going to review them. So it's going to be a little bit tough one because, you can't really necessarily hear what I'm hearing. Maybe I can put it next to the speaker, but I will give you my honest opinion. I'm not an audiophile per se. I'm not like snobby about it, but I do listen to a lot of different types of music. I am a music head, I would say. We'll see how these sound here. They do have active noise cancellation, so they might be actually nice on like an airplane. I'm going to be traveling very soon. And there they are. 18-month warranty. That's cool. That's actually pretty long. It's got an 18-month warranty. That's nice. So we'll do that. Oh, they did send me the cream ones. Nice. Yeah, it's awesome. I didn't want the black ones. I didn't actually tell them what color I prefer. And they sent me this kind of creamy colored one. That's good. So there you go. That answers that question. You can use them wired or Bluetooth. That's kind of nice. My studio headphones over there do not do wired at all, period. So that's that. And A to C. I guess you can plug in C for charging purposes. Actually, it does show up pretty good on camera. They're definitely not white. They're definitely not like a cream white like an eggshell. They have the tiniest hint of pink to them. Salmon, I guess I'd call it, which is nice. We'll have to remove that because there is a active noise canceling detector there, and there should be one on the left as well. Very good. That's good. Okay, so it's got a foam thing on the top there to sit on the top of your noggin so it doesn't hurt. That's going to be harder plastic there, a little bit thicker. Smooth touch. They don't feel super heavy. They're actually pretty light. Smooth touch texture over there, around there. They feel nice and smooth. Yep. That's your audio in, left, right. The ear cuff things feel really very soft. It's going to hopefully be really comfortable. It's a very, very, very soft, whatever material this is called. I don't know. Leathery type, fake leathery type stuff. Bottom, one button there. I have no idea what it does. I guess that's the power. Volume up, volume down. Headphone, auxiliary port, USB-C, and noise canceling. So there's a hard toggle for noise canceling on or off. Bluetooth. Okay, there it is. TOZO. I guess it just automatically. They do have an app here, which you can use. I'm just going to do it this way. The app will probably control noise cancellation. Okay, I'll try some of the functions here. So volume up. That works. It makes a little bloop sound. Maybe I'll turn that off. What does that do again here? Active noise cancellation. I'll have to test that after. Alrighty. Yeah, I guess you can see me now. Let's put on these headphones here and listen. So right and left. Oh, I hit the ANC button and it told me ANC was on. Okay. So when you hit ANC, let's actually do it. It tells you. So ANC on, ANC off. So I'm going to have to go stand like near a vent or something. Or actually, I'll put on some white noise on my computer. So it's like, I won't be able to hear it. But let's just put them on and listen. Okay, so I put on a fan. Yeah, I put on a fan. You can hear that. It's probably super annoying. I apologize. Let's try this with and without ANC. So ANC's there. Okay, so I can obviously hear that now. Let's put the music back on. I just paused it. We'll test it with music. Okay, music is playing now. And I can still hear that. It's pretty annoying, obviously. Let's go ANC. Pass through. Yeah, it's the same. It's actually louder now. I can hear the fan a little bit louder, so the pass through obviously does work. Let's go one more. ANC on. Oh yeah. Yeah, it definitely works. It makes a huge difference. Now, this is something that I'm going to explain. I'll take these off so I don't yell into the camera. I have Beats headphones over here, and they have active noise cancellation. They're Beats Studio, so they're high-end Beats, but they're a little bit older. And whenever I turn on the active noise cancellation, it makes me feel nauseous on those there. Like, I don't know, it does something weird, and it feels like a weird pressure change. I've used good active noise cancellation on, I had a set of Galaxy Buds Pro 2, whatever they're called. and they didn't give me that weird kind of feeling in my ears and kind of disorientation. Those Beats do big time. This doesn't. So when I put on the active noise cancellation, I didn't notice any of that weird like pressure feeling. There's a name for it, but I didn't notice that. It just, the fan noise went away. So yeah, the fan noise definitely went away with that. The active noise cancellation absolutely does work. Okay, so my thoughts on these. They're not going to beat out some $500 headphones, right? Like you're not going to get some like professional level headphones from these. But these sound really good. Like these actually sound really good. The bass on them is like shockingly pronounced. They have very good bass. And it's not just that there is a lot of bass, like the amount of bass is there. It's also that it's like quality bass. Like you can feel the bass. There's no like tinniness or rattle. And there's just that like kind of cheap like kind of bass. It's not like that. These actually sound really nice. And overall they sound quite nice. The mid-range sounds good. You know, I had like the piano in that track there. Sounds really nice too. So overall they actually sound considerably better than I thought they would. Don't warn me about. So I mean, that was kind of a no-brainer. That was going to work. I do want to try another thing though. I'm just curious. This is probably just to charge it. No, so you don't connect over this USB-C. I wasn't sure. I just had no idea. So this is going to be your charging cable. Charge them up, whatever. You do get a physical headphone jack, which is nice. My Beats don't have a physical headphone jack, which is actually incredibly annoying. I have two pairs of Beats, which is the dumb thing. I have a pair of Studio Beats, which I showed in the video here. They only have this lightning thing. You can't use these over like a headphone jack. So if I want to use these with my like laptop or something, I have to use Bluetooth, and they're always connected to my phone. So, you know, you can't use a physical headphone jack on those Beats over there. And then I also have a pair of Beats Solo 3, I think is what they're called. And they don't have Bluetooth. They only have wired. So then I have two sets of headphones depending on what I'm doing. And that's kind of dumb actually on my part, to be honest. So I'm going to actually get rid of both of my Beats headphones, which sounds crazy, but I'm just going to sell them. And honestly, I'm just going to use this. That may seem crazy to you, but these are basically the same. They sound basically the same. These give me a headache because physically they're uncomfortable, and the active noise cancellation also makes my head feel like it's weirdly pressurized and it's going to explode. These don't give me weird head explosion feeling when I wear them and listen to active noise cancellation. So these win. They beat out both of these Beats. Straight up. But yeah, don't buy them. Don't buy these. They're overpriced. Just get these. Or, you know, get some like $700 pair of headphones if you're like a crazy audiophile. But I think these are really good, actually. Yeah, so these are going to get a recommendation from me. They have wires. They have Bluetooth. Both work perfectly fine. Active noise cancellation actually works very well. When I actually put them on, they feel very, very comfortable. They look okay. I kind of like that cream color. There's a pinkish one. There is also a black, which whatever, and there's a white one. Crisp white that would be more like this. I like this cream one. This is kind of the color that I hope they sent. So there you go. They're good headphones. I like them. Price on them is actually going to be pretty compelling when you compare them to the competitors. You know, like Beats headphones, and there's other brands out there. And, you know, Sony and that, and they can get super expensive. Headphones can get super expensive. And you can get bullied on the internet. You will get bullied on the internet if you talk to people about headphones and say, you know, which headphones should I get? And they'll be like, well, if your headphones aren't $1,000, then they're crap and you're a bad person, or something like that. So yeah, hard recommend on these. They're actually really good. I like them. I mean, I'm sure there's better headphones out there, but I'm sure those better headphones would cost, you know, 10 times the price.